This is the tomb of Daniel Defoe, although it's actually buried over there under some grass. But he once said, "I have been ruined but twice, once when I lost a lawsuit and once when I won one." And as we've spoken before, costs are a major issue in litigation. But somebody asked recently in the comments, can you get a costs order against a third party? Well, yes, you can. It's something called a Section 51 order. That actually allows a judge to make a costs order against anybody. But it's obviously not free for all, so when does it come into play? Well, generally, where somebody has been funding litigation for a personal benefit, either they want a share of the proceeds, or there's some other material benefits to the lawsuit going ahead, even if it's just, they want to harass somebody, so they're funding a case against them. But if you're just a mere funder, let's say, for instance, a friend's in court and you just chip in to help them, or there's like a crowdfunder or something like that for a cause you support, courts have said that actually no, mere funders can't be pursued under Section 51. So yes, so you can feel free to help out your friends or a cause you support, so long as you actually have no personal benefit in or personal interest in the outcome. So there you go. Hope you found that interesting. If you did, please consider clicking the like button, subscribing and sharing. And see you next time. Assuming I get out of here alive, there's lots of very weird looking squirrels stalking me.